The winning psychology, this is my ultimate strategy. Honestly, if you ask me my strategy, I'll tell you winning psychology. And why this is my strategy is because I like to feel like a winner, right? Everybody's supposed to actually feel like a winner. So, but I realize that me feeling like a winner makes me win more, like without thinking too much, without thinking about, like, the winning aspect is like the top notch. Yes, I'll think about losing, I'll think about other factors, but you see, I'm already thinking about me as a winner because of my winning psychology. And how can I achieve this, or how did I achieve this, is by not focusing on my monetary value. So when I enter a trade, I don't care if I close that trade at 0.84 cents. I don't care if I close it at 0.90 cents. I don't care if I close it at $1. I don't care if I close it at 2, 10, like that, 5, But when you calculate all this, when I calculate all this, it gives me a whole large sum of money, or rather, it gives me something tangible, right? But in my head, I'm only thinking about this trade that I closed was a winning trade. This trade I closed was a winning trade. This was a winning trade. This one, this one, this one. So it makes me feel like I'm a winner, because at the end of the week, now I calculate all my trades and I see that I opened, let's say I opened 25 trades. I opened 25 trades from Monday to Friday. I lost 5 trades and I profited in 20 trades. So I'm looking at my trades. These are my trades. These are my losses and these are my profits. So looking at it, I look at it that, wow, I profited in 20 trades. What did I do right? I obviously knew what I did right, because it wasn't just a guess thing that made me enter the market. But looking at this gives me a wholesome of like feeling, like it gives me a feeling of winning, right? I'm not even thinking about the 5 losses. Yes, sometimes the losses you might have had will actually it will be more than the monetary value might be more than your win rate, but I don't think too much about it. I'm only thinking about my trades I closed in profit, or my trades that I won. So then I still narrow down to being intentional about what I did right, so I'll keep repeating it. So but then the thing is that, like, I had more wins, so it makes me feel like a winner. It makes me know that I am a winner. So this winning psychology is like my ultimate strategy. So even when I want to enter a trade, I have to have series of confirmations, especially if it has worked out for me before. Now I won't even think twice. But the main thing is that I don't think about the monetary value. I just think about me closing that position in a winning rate. So cents, dollars, this, that. There was a period of time that I had series of trades. But these trades were, I closed at $1, 84 cents, $5, $6, cents, dollars. Like, I didn't think about the money. Honestly, at the end of the week, I just saw it was like almost $100. I was like, wow. It was more of like $100, almost $100. But then I didn't think about the money, because when you think about the money, honestly, $1 will be too small for you. 94 or 84 cents will be too small for you. You will be thinking of having $100, having $200, having, like, large sum, 1,000, like that. But at the end of the day, let me tell you, I believe that there are people like Bill Gates, people like Dangote in Africa, the richest people in the world. They don't go for the largest sums, They don't go for the largest sum. They go for a consistent small percentage. Let's see, a $1 that keeps coming and keeps coming. Calculate $1 times 1 million. Do you understand? So, but all I'm saying is that this winning psychology is like my ultimate strategy, because it makes me feel like a winner. Listen, winning psychology. When you have a winning psychology, even when you lose, you will never think you are a loser. Even when you consistently keep losing, you will never think you are a loser, because in your head, in short, you look at it like a challenge. You are trying to challenge me. So winning psychology is my ultimate strategy, and I also think that every trader should adapt, especially beginner traders. This winning psychology will actually be of help to you when you keep thinking like a winner, you know. So because you have a winning psychology, let me give you an example. There is a limit whereby when you reach, you don't want to even pass that limit, so it will not make you feel some type of way. Let's say today I didn't even plan to take 10 trades, but all the trades I took today were, let's say I took 5 trades today, and today when I took those 5 trades, I had 5 winning trades. You know, I want to close that day in that winning position. I don't want to exceed that 5, because I just feel like, okay, it's enough for today. Let me maintain this feeling of being a winner. Tomorrow we go again. If you get what I'm trying to say, you know. So it will actually help you to not want to sabotage your effort if you are intentional about winning psychology. Like me, I didn't trade yesterday. Was a very high impact news. NFP, even on Thursday was CPE, core price index, right? CPI or so. But I didn't trade that day. Why? Because I feel like I've already made what I wanted to make on Wednesday, so I mustn't follow the trades every day, because market can be so volatile. And you know, that feeling of winning psychology, I've gotten what I wanted for the week, let me just go till next week, you know. So at the end of the day, winning psychology is not just a strategy, it's like a savior and a guidance to me and my mental health, because I keep telling people Forex is more of psychology than the knowledge, like than the learning of price action and all that, you know. It has to be, it's more of that, it's more than that, it's more than learning what candlesticks are doing and all. It's very much psychological, but a lot of times, especially beginners, they won't agree with it, because you have to get the knowledge, then you understand that this is more of a psychological thing than the, but it's a very, very important thing to know that it's very much psychological. So if you don't have all those patience, greed, you know, if you don't have some certain qualities, like you will not last long. I've been trading for like 5 years now, like, and I'm still seeing myself to keep trading. So that says a lot, right? So I keep inventing and actually accumulating and trying to, you know, understand the market, and also trying to adjust to the market. And this winning psychology is something that is so much applicable to almost every aspect of life, not just trading, you know, to feel like a winner. That's why I said everybody is supposed to feel like a winner. It will help you even when you are down, you know, you already know that you are a winner. Okay, let me give you a little glimpse, a little story about me. The even times that I feel down, you know what, I go back to my glory days, you know, think about the times I've won, like the times that I was winning, then I know that yes, those times will still come back, you know. So you see, that's the winning psychology. So everybody should adapt this winning psychology, you know, and it will be very helpful. I hope this video was helpful to you, because I took my time to do this, but I will still do more of this winning psychology, because it's something that it's here to stay, you know. And you know, we keep growing every day. So the more I grow, the more I'll put more out here for you guys. Thank you so much.